Our Mikron 102.04 hobbing machine. Very universal machines with a lot of accessories. Here we have the second one. They come as a set because we only have one set of gears. This one is set up with a bevel gear attachment, so you can make bevel gears, straight gears, worm wheels, worms, helical gears. This is for worms. Here we have our first cabinet with change gears. A lot of them. These are old cabinets, probably dating the war, the Second World War. Here we have the differential housing. Some product specific stuff. Collets, different colored noses, other gears, tailstocks, spindle, some tooling, some other stuff. Look at the date. Here we go to our second cabinet. Some more collets. This is for blocking the differential. Some product specific clamping probably. This is the straight housing. Another tailstock. Dampening device. This device is for bigger gears up to 200 millimeters. Other clamping stuff. Special gears to set up special options. I'm not an expert on gears. Yet some spindles, tailstocks, whatever. Now we go to our third cabinet. Here's some other spindles. This is for in the headstock to change the ratio. Collets. A special gear. This is probably for the bevel gear attachment. This was the product they made on it. It's a mechanical variator. Another for bigger gears. Clamping. Some documentation. These are hobs for worm wheels. Most of them have a 4 lead. Some other hobs and more hobs. Also some products which were made on the machine.